If you're experiencing slow connection issues, changing the DNS in your Wi-Fi network can make a big difference. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change the DNS settings on your Xiaomi phone. Let's get started. Open your settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the forward arrow icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Scroll down and tap on IP settings. Select it to static, then scroll down and on the DNS1 section, type 8.8.8.8. Once you're done, go to the DNS2 section and type 8.8.4.4. After that, hit the check mark at the top and see if your problem is fixed or not. If that did not fix the problem, then come back here and this time on the DNS1 section, type 1.1.1.1. Then on the DNS2 section, type 1.0.0.1. Once done, hit the check mark at the top to confirm your action. After this, your slow Wi-Fi connection should be solved. So that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more solutions like this. Thanks so much for watching.